In related news, the local government of Marikina City started a dredging operation to its river as a preparation for La Nina. This is to prevent the city from experiencing severe flooding during heavy rains. Let's have the details from Catherine Landicho.
Dredging operations are currently ongoing in the Marikina River, which overflowed during the ravage of Tropical Storm Ondoy in 2009, causing flooding in the city and adjacent areas. From 70 meters, the river was expanded to 100 meters. It also depended from 15 meters to 20 meters. Because of this, and with the help of water pumps and improved drainage, the city has not experienced severe flooding in the past 4 years, including low-lying areas and riverbanks. A slope protection project was also implemented in the Marikina River, according to Marikina Mayor Marcy Chidoro. According to Chidoro, the explosion of erosion of the river's edge can be avoided. Based on Pag-asa, the La Nina phenomenon may begin between June and August. This is above the normal rainfall conditions in the last quarter and first month of next year. The State Weather Bureau urged preparation for the La Nina, especially in accessible areas. This is Catherine Landicho for Euro TV News.